Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're tackling a big one, a name you've almost certainly seen online. Zalando.
Yep, the huge European fashion retailer. We're looking at Zalando.co.uk specifically.
Exactly, and our mission today is really clear. We're digging into the sources to answer a simple question. Is this site legit? And more importantly, what's it really like to order from them?
Right, because legitimacy and a good experience aren't always the same thing.
Not at all. We're going to move past just reputation and look at some hard evidence.
Okay, so let's start with the green flags, the things that immediately say this is a real established company.
Let's do it.
The first thing that jumps out is just how long they've been around. Our sources confirm the domain was registered way back in 2008.
2008. Wow, so that's well over a decade. That's not a fly-by-night operation.
No, not even close. That kind of history usually points to a stable, trustworthy business.
And it's not just age, is it? It's the sheer scale of the operation. I mean, they're everywhere. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube.
Oh, absolutely. And their Facebook page. It has 8.7 million followers.
8.7 million. You don't build that kind of audience without a massive, real infrastructure behind you.
Mm-hmm. And that infrastructure extends to verification. They have a mobile app, for example.
Right, on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.
And you can't just get an app on there. You have to pass security checks, meet certain quality standards. It's another solid layer of validation.
Okay, so the app is verified, but that's not quite the same as verifying the warehouse or the delivery service.
That's a
right?
very good point.
Still, another thing that builds trust is how open they are about their leadership. You can go on their site and see the team members, photos, their positions.
Yeah, including the founders, Robert Gent and David Schneider. They're not hiding. When a company puts faces to the names, it definitely feels more accountable.
So on paper, it all sounds perfect, almost, which kind of makes you wonder why we're even doing this deep dive.
Exactly. And this is where the story takes a sharp turn. We have to shift from the company's own credentials to, well, what the customers are actually saying.
The feedback.
And here's the massive contradiction. Zalando doesn't feature customer reviews on its own website. But if you go to a third-party site like Trustpilot,
Oh.
it's not good. Their global rating is a catastrophic 2.1 stars
Wait, 2.1 out of 5.
out of 5. And that's based on over 5,000 reviews.
How is it even possible for a company that big, that transparent? What is driving that number down so severely?
It's incredibly polarized. You see, some customers in the sources report a perfectly smooth experience, fast delivery, great products, no problems at all.
The 5-star reviews.
Right. But then you have thousands of others, and the complaints are pretty serious. We're talking about missing packages, of course.
That's the classic one.
But it's also about endless delays in getting refunds and customer service that is slow, unhelpful, or just non-existent. People left in these communication black holes.
So the scale of the complaints seems to match the scale of the operation.
That's a great way to put it. So if we synthesize all this, the picture becomes clear. Is Zalando real? Yes, 100%. It's a legitimate, long-running business. That part is settled.
But the actual experience of buying from them is highly unpredictable. A roll of the dice.
It really is. So our advice to you would be to be cautious. Always check the reviews on the specific item you're buying, or even the third-party seller if it's a partner item.
It just leaves you with this one big question, doesn't it? If a company has this kind of scale, 8.7 million followers, a 2008 registration, all that transparency, why do so many sources show that their customer service and delivery can be so incredibly inconsistent for thousands of people? It makes you wonder what that imbalance says about prioritizing growth over actually taking care of your customers after they click buy. Something to think about.